Hi, second grade, Miss Frabagel here. Today you will need a pencil and a notebook or a piece of paper. We're going to be looking at deconstructing compound words. Deconstructing means to take apart, so we're going to take apart some of the compound words that we know. Remember, with compound words, you can use word parts to help you understand the meaning of an unknown word. A compound word is a word made up of two smaller words, and when you put those together, they create a new word that has a different meaning. Let's look at our compound word treehouse. All right, let's look at our compound word treehouse. If we deconstruct treehouse, we could put a line through it, we see tree and house, right? So we know our compound word treehouse means a house that's in a tree. And by deconstructing, we can help figure out what our word treehouse means. Let's look at some more examples. We have jellyfish. If we deconstruct jellyfish, that gives us jelly and fish. So a fish that's kind of jelly looking helps us figure out our compound word jellyfish by looking at the two words jelly and fish. And horseshoe, when we deconstruct horseshoe, we have horse and shoe, which helps us know that a horseshoe is a shoe that's made for a horse. On your piece of paper, I would like you to write these 12 compound words. You can put them in ice cubes if you'd like, or you can just leave them as compound words. But go ahead, pause the video. I will read through the compound words. Make sure you get them all copied down. Starting at the left, we have backyard, forget, catfish, outdoor, cowboy, raindrop, mailbox, eyelid, sailboat, icebox, bird bath, and treetop. So what we are going to do is help Petey the penguin break the ice blocks in half. So we're going to read each compound word, draw a line between the words, and then at the bottom we're going to write the deconstruction of the compound word. So we're going to write the two words that come from it to make the compound word. They did the first one for us. They put a line between air and plane. Underneath that, let's just retype our two words. We have air and plane. Know that the compound word airplane means a plane in the air by deconstructing it and looking at those two words. We will do the first 4 together, the top row, and then you will do the last 2 rows by yourself. First, we have backyard. I'm going to draw a line between back and yard. Underneath it, I'm going to write our 2 words underneath it. We have back and yard, which would, looking at those 2 words, we know that backyard means a yard out in the back once we deconstruct it. We have our next one, for, and we'll type in our 2 words, for and get. Then we have catfish. Let's draw a line, cat and fish. By our 2 smaller words below it. Catfishes have little whiskers that makes them look like cats. So they are fish that look like cats or catfish. And then we have outdoor. I'm going to put a line between out and door. Right, outdoor. And we know that outdoor means outside of a door or outside. Outdoor. Go ahead and do the next 8 on your own. So first, write the word, draw a line to split the word into 2 smaller words, and then deconstruct your compound word with the 2 smaller words written below it. Pause the video and click play when you're ready to review them. Okay, let's review the 8 that you had to do on your own. Cowboy, we drew the line between the word cow and boy. Raindrop, we deconstructed it to become rain and drop, or a drop of rain. Mailbox, we deconstructed to become mail and box, a box for the mail. Eyelid, we deconstructed to become eye and lid, like a lid for your eye. Sailboat, we deconstructed to become sail and boat, a boat that sails. Icebox, we deconstructed to be ice and box. It's kind of like a refrigerator or a freezer, a box full of ice to keep stuff cold. A bird bath, we deconstructed to be bird and bath, which means a bath for the birds. And treetop, we deconstructed to be tree. And that's it for me today. I will see you later.